Okay, let me show you the ingredients. Right here I have two chicken breasts cut in 4 pieces each with bone in, 1/2 onion, garlic, 1 1/2 tablespoons of salt, and some oregano. This recipe is going to be a very easy one to put together, but like always, those easy ones are the best ones. Let's get started. After it has been cooking for about 10 minutes, take your time to remove all this foam that has surfaced to the top. I will recommend you doing this step with every soup you make. This way you will get a nice clear broth versus a cloudy one. If you don't get to it, not a big deal. It doesn't change the taste. It only changes the presentation. So now it's time to add our spices. Here's 1/2 an onion, 1/2 of garlic head, 1 1/2 tablespoons of salt, and fresh oregano leaves. We'll cover and cook for about 30 minutes in medium low. Let's get our toppings ready. I have onion, cilantro, tomato, and serrano peppers. And this is how I arrange the toppings. And after 1/2 an hour, the chicken is completely cooked, but we'll test it and it falls apart very easily. So now it's time to put our plate together. And as you can see, the broth is very nice and clear, full of flavor, but nice and clear. Now it's time to put our toppings. I like mine with tomatoes, onions, serrano peppers, and cilantro. Lots of cilantro. That makes it taste good. And you can also add avocado, little drops of lemon juice. This is the perfect soup to have when you want something light but yet full of flavor. You can have it for lunch or dinner or at any time. I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.